we're on the antenna. That beautiful picture. NCAA tournament commercial now. This is the CBS station in Charlotte. Movie on balance, 3.1, 3.3. This is digital. Your digital tuner in your TV can handle this with a proper antenna. Just a basic antenna is all you need. Try it out if your neighborhood has it. Check antennapoint.com. Put your zip code in. See if your neighborhood handles antennas. And don't believe it if they say 150-mile antenna. That's a lie. You get 20, 30 miles, you're really lucky. You're pushing the envelope. But if you just need a good picture, something to watch when the cable's down, this is great. They don't all broadcast in 1080p. This is just a 1080p TV, not 4K. Here's John Wayne, ABC channel. Mike and Molly's on. Shopping, yes, shopping. I Dream of Jeannie. See, they got the old shows, old classic shows. We're catching a lot of commercials, aren't we? PBS. Law and Order. Twist, whatever Twist is. There we go, Bob Ross, classic. 30 minutes, instant art. Brilliant. He used to be a Marine, he used to yell and scream at Marines. And now he's Mr. Calm, Mr. Ooh. But I have a hairbrush, a little thing you shave with the brush, the bristles. You get your shaving cream and you put it on. When I clean it off, I go in the shower, there's a little bar, and I'll whack it back and forth on the bar to get the soap and water out of it and hang it back up to dry. Just like Bob Ross does with his painting brushes. He whacks it on the side of the easel to clean them off with the turpentine. And he has a nice dry brush. Yeah, I stole that. There's a game show. This is the kind of stuff you can get on an antenna depending on your area. It's a good picture. Many places have good pictures. They broadcast in 1080p instead of 720p sometimes. It gives you something to watch when your cable goes out, or if you lose your job and you don't have cable. You can still get the news and the sports. Jewelry, oh boy. There we go, listen to some jazz. That's cool. Got Seinfeld and more commercials. This is why I tell you, go to on-demand services. Get rid of the commercials. If you want, you just watch what you want when you want, hit the pause button and go for it. But constant commercials, everything's chopped up. It's bad to watch a John Wayne movie and find scenes missing, Mystery, oh boy. How I Met Your Mother. Great show. And we're back to the basketball tournament. See, sports. That's what you get an antenna for. Sports. All right. That's what's on my antenna. Remember the coffee today. Subscribe. Hit the little button. Thank you.